What's up guys, in this video I'm going to talk about Amazon Dubai. I've just got back from my visit to the Amazon Dubai headquarters where I talked about my Amazon integrator account. So let me tell you how this all works. So currently if you want to sell on Amazon Dubai or Amazon.ae, you've got three different approaches. One, you have to be a local company, in which case you have to have an office in Dubai and a company registered in Dubai. If that's the case, you would go to the Amazon Seller Central, so Amazon Seller Central.ae, Seller Central.amazon.ae, and you would open a normal seller account just like you normally would do. The other option is if you've got an existing Amazon seller account and you've been selling on Amazon for over 1 year, Amazon may reach out to you and invite you to sell on Amazon.ae. The third option is through an Amazon integrator account. Now, Amazon integrator is a very new concept, and I believe Amazon Dubai is the only place that uses Amazon integrator accounts. Now, let me explain to you how this works. Amazon integrator is a local company who's able to issue sub-accounts to other companies. So, for example, companies who are not based in Dubai. So, what are some of the key benefits of using an Amazon integrator rather than just going for Seller Central and applying, or waiting for Amazon to invite you? So obviously the number one reason is you don't have to wait for Amazon to invite you to sell on Amazon Dubai, and you can just go and start doing it now. But the other key benefit really is that you don't have to register for VAT. That doesn't mean that you don't have to pay VAT, but you don't have to register for VAT. Now let me quickly go over VAT in Dubai. So in January 2018, Dubai and United Arab Emirates UAE started or introduced a new system for VAT. So as of 2018, if you are trading in Dubai, you have to pay 5% VAT. The VAT system in Dubai works pretty much the same as it does in the UK, where you file your VAT returns on a quarterly basis. Now, what does this mean to you if you are a normal Amazon seller and you've opened your Amazon Dubai account through being referred by Amazon or as a local company? That means that once you start trading, you've got 20 days to register for VAT. If you fail to do so, there is a 20,000 dirham fine that you have to pay to the tax office. If you are, of course, a local company based in Dubai and you've got premises in Dubai, you don't have to register straight away. There is a threshold that you have to reach before you register, but we can go into that in a different video. So if you are an overseas seller and you've opened an account with Amazon in Dubai, you have to register VAT, and then you have to file on quarterly basis. So that means you would also have to find yourself an accountant or a tax agent who's going to do this work for you. If, of course, you are going through an aggregator account, then you don't have to do any of these. Opening an integrator seller account is very simple. Actually, it's much easier than opening a normal Amazon seller account because you don't have to provide so much information and you don't have to go through a verification process. All you need is proof of ID, so this will be something like a copy of your passport, and you'll need a company certificate, so your company's registration certificate. You then provide these two documents to your integrator and they will do the rest for you. They will then provide you with a username and password, and you'll use these credentials to log into Seller Central. To log into Seller Central, you do the same as normal process, so you just go to sellercentral.amazon.ae and log in the normal way. Once you're in, that is it. You can start selling, you can start advertising, you can start creating listings, everything that you need to do as an Amazon seller. Now, there's another benefit to using an integrator. You can get your integrator to act as your import agent as well. So normally, let's say you've got your supplier in China and you're getting your supplier to ship your goods to Amazon FBA in Dubai. To do this, you will need to register for an import number. Okay. Now, as a foreign company, you cannot register for an import customer number, which means you'll have difficulties importing goods, and you're going to have to get your shipping company to do this on your behalf. Now, it's not really a big problem because most shipping companies will offer you to do this now, but the problem is that you will not be able to claim back your import tax. And if you use your integrator as your import agent, you can arrange with them to claim back your import tax, so that's an extra 5%. So overall, using an integrator Amazon seller account is a lot simpler and will save you a lot of trouble as an Amazon seller. If you want to know more about opening an integrator account in Amazon Dubai, or you want to know how to register VAT in Amazon Dubai, please comment below and I'll get back to you and I will let you know what the process is. But that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys found it useful. I hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please click subscribe and enable bell notifications, and that way you won't miss out on any new videos that I post. But that's pretty much it for now. I'll speak to you guys very soon. Bye for now.